In my car, and it's only right that I'm thinking about, I just had my car serviced, and this, I might as well, like, I owe Mr. Kit a review because I've been using their shop for a long time, and I have yet to give them a review. And anyway, to get to the point, I'm using my car today because I'm on my way to a real estate meeting. And when I came outside, so for a long time, my car had some issues. One of the issues was the heating system was broken. The next issue was that the power steering was starting to wear. And I went a few weeks ago and I asked them to give me estimates, and they gave me some estimates on what on the repairs that needed to be done to my car. And one was the heating system, one was the power steering, and I took my vehicle in yesterday to get the heating system fixed. And they fixed the heating system. I went in and they finished in like a few hours. I called that day and I was like, when can I schedule an appointment? They were able to schedule me that same day, and they got it fixed that same day. But also, like, my tire was out on my car. Like, it kept slow leaking. I'm not sure if the rim was damaged, if I had a bad tire, or what the case. But I'm like, could you also diagnose the tire and let me know what's wrong with the tire? And I walk out the house this morning, and what do you know? My tire is fixed. They fixed my tire without telling me. I know they had something to do with it. And I'm just highly grateful and appreciative because when I dropped the car off on my way to the service center, when I dropped my car off on my way home, they shuttled me home. And Mr. Kit he talked about sometimes they go and they take that extra step. They go the extra mile to help out a customer. And I'm pretty sure that's what they did with me and my tire, because my tire no longer has a flat and it's no longer giving me issues. So the least I could do is give them a review. I can't say enough about what they've done for me and my vehicle. I have an old vehicle. It's a 2006 Buick LaCrosse, and it's been able to last as long as it's lasted because I service my car there. I do my inspections there. I get my brakes there. Everything I need done, I get done there. And I never really had to compare prices because you can't pay for good good service is worth every penny to me. So it's my obligation to share what they've been doing for me and my excellent customer service experience. So I wanted to do that review, and I wanted to share with everyone. And if you're watching this and you're a customer, take some time to write a review and help out a company, like help others. I'm sharing this review because it's going to help other people that are thinking about using their service, and it's also going to help Mr. Kit because they provide an excellent service and they need to be discovered, and they need to be recognized for the excellent service they provide and for going the extra mile for their customers. They've gone the extra mile for me every single time, and I highly appreciate it. The least I can do is I give referrals all the time, but the least I can do is give a review and help out a small business. I really appreciate you, Mr. Kit. Thanks so much. And I'll see you soon when I need my car serviced again. I really appreciate you. You don't understand how much I appreciate what you do.